Hey everybody, it's Michael Tucker from the Marketo Virtual User Group for Manufacturing. Just wanted to give you a bit of a preview into our next meeting, which is going to be happening on May the 14th in a couple of days. It's going to be on special events, advanced tactics. Now, I know we talked about this during the last Adobe Summit online. We're going to dive a little bit further deeper into it. We brought on a special guest, Stephanie Sweetland, who is in charge of the marketing automation work that happens at Cvent, one of the LaunchPoint partners focused in this space. And then above and beyond that, so there's a lot of content that's out there about going virtual with your events. We wanted to present something a little bit different and really talk about what to do once you open back up. And so to do that, we brought in kind of a virtual case study, if you will. We picked a Chevy Buick GMC dealership out of Kennesaw, Georgia. It's called Carl Black Chevy Buick GMC, and they do these wonderful tailgate events. And so there's one that they did a couple of years ago with country superstar Lee Brice, and so we decided to take that, build a Marketo program out of it, and we'll be showing you how people get into the tailgate, how they go to some of the different experiential events. There's an off-road truck event that's there. There's a petting zoo that's there, and there's even a rain out that happens during the event. So we'll show you how to build things like that into your program so that you can scale those out. So this is for one dealership in the greater Atlanta area. What happens if you want to go out to 50 of them? We can do that with Marketo. We're going to show you how in this event. But for now, we want to give you a little bit of a preview to the actual event that happened a couple of years ago in Kennesaw, Georgia. And here's Lee Brice live from Carl Black GMC dealership out in Georgia.
We got 24 tall boys on the chill. Yeah, 14 of them's mine. A little Marshall Tucker on the radio. You know, we just catch a little groove before the show. We ain't playing nothing slow at the parking lot party. A tailgate buzz just a sipping on suds. Ain't never too early to light one up, fill up your cup. Cause I ain't no party like the pre-party and after the party, the after party at the parking lot party. Well, the opening band is doing a sound check. Man, they sound pretty good. Hell, I ain't even bought no tickets yet. Yeah, but that's alright, we don't care. Cause all the pretty girls are sitting right here, kicking back in a lawn chair at the parking lot party. A tailgate buzz just a sipping on suds. Ain't never too early to light one up, fill up your cup. Cause there ain't no party like the pre-party and after the party, the after party at the parking lot party. I'll pass me them chicken wings now. Old Tom is pulling his guitar out. It's about time to pass that shine around. The show's about.
Hey y'all, this is Lee Brice hanging out with Carl Black at the parking lot party live on the lot. We just had a ball. We always do. This time, just to let you know, had some tornadoes come through. We piled into the dealership here. We signed autographs during the storm. Lights went out. It was one for the books. See you next time.
Cause there ain't no party like the pre-party.
Okay, so that's the event, and again, it was a couple of years ago, so completely, fictitious Marketo program that we're going to build out around it. But again, we'll bring in all sorts of things like segmentation and some dynamic content into the fray. We'll even show you how to build out a webhook to give you the weather that's going to be happening at whatever dealership you choose to launch this at, so that you can build in factors like a tornado coming through your parking lot when you're trying to build out your event. So we look forward to seeing you there. It's May the 14th. If you want to find out more information about the event, you can search us online. We'll be at mugs.marketo.com. And we'll also have our LinkedIn group and a couple of other different places to find us as well. Thanks. We'll see you soon.